Here you go.
Oh, sorry.
Traveling while fat, traveling while black, and it's a pandemic, so we navigating that. Here's in the wind, cause the Jeep top's back. You get it, how we living, now sit back and watch that.
We're at Dyckman Dogs, and we saw them on Instagram, and we decided to check them out. We had a little issue with the location. They've actually relocated inside another restaurant, and I'm gonna take you guys through a tour. So far I had whatever this is, and it's delicious with its sauce.
Taki yo-yo, right?
Taki yo-yo? Yeah, whatever. Taki yo-yo, whatever that is. It has plantain, ham, and cheese. We got some dogs. I'm about to show you guys some interesting pictures, and it's good.
Prepárate! Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get!
How's that burger treat? Describe it. What do you taste?
Flame broiled.
Goodness.
Yes.
They just fried. We look how the turkey is. The fries, these are Dominican fries. I never had fries with like fried cheese.
Oh, that's what those balls are? Oh no, that's that sausage.
They have sausage and fried cheese.
Yeah, I just ate the sausage.
After my steak, sure. Now let's go ahead. Piece de resistance. I got a Dominican burger. I got a Dominican dog, but I replaced the sausage with a hot dog. Oh God, it's big. No, that is everything. I'll talk to y'all later. I gotta eat. See y'all later. Peace.
Traveling while fat, traveling while black, and it's a pandemic, so we navigating that. Here's in the wind, cause the Jeep top's back.